am Amenoding Ismael, math teacher in grade 10 level at Piagapo National High School. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to divide a polynomials by using long methods process. Before we start our topic, let us have a mathematics prayer. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, may Allah add us more good deeds and subtract us the evil deeds. Multiply us more iman and divide His rahmah unto the ummah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allahumma amin. The objective of our topic today, perform division of polynomials using the long division methods. Let us start our lesson by inserting the missing terms of the given polynomials 8x cubed plus 18x squared plus x plus 3 by another polynomials 2x plus 5. Let us use the solution. 8x cubed divided by 2x. The result is 4x squared. 4x squared multiplied by 2x plus 5. It obtain a product of 8x cubed plus 20x squared. 8x cubed plus 20x squared subtract from 8x cubed plus 18x squared. The result is negative 2x squared. Just bring down the x. Negative 2x squared divide by 2x, it obtain a result of negative x. Negative x multiplied to 2x plus 5, it obtain a product of negative 2x squared minus 5x. Negative 2x squared minus 5x subtract from negative 2x squared plus x, the result 6x, bring down 3. 6x divide by the 2x, the result positive 3. Positive 3 multiplied by 2x plus 5, it obtain a product of 6x plus 15. 6x plus 15 subtract from the 6x plus 3, the result is negative 12. Hence, 8x cubed plus 18x squared plus x plus 3 all over 2x plus 5 is equivalent to 4x squared minus x plus 3 plus negative 12 all over 2x plus 5. The process of finding a polynomials by another polynomials is similar to that of dividing whole numbers. It is necessary that the polynomials are arranged in descending powers of one of the variables involved. The complete answer for the missing terms in the given polynomials divided by another polynomials. Let us have an illustrative example. Divide 7x squared minus 10x minus 8 by x minus 2. Let us use the solution. 7x squared divide by x, the result 7x. 7x multiplied by x minus 2, the result 7x squared minus 14x. 7x squared minus 14x. Subtract from the 7x squared minus 10x. It obtain a result of 4x and just bring down the negative n. 4x divided by x. The result, positive 4. Positive 4 multiplied by x minus 2, it obtains a product of 4x minus 8. 4x minus 8, subtract from 4x minus 8, the result will be 0. Hence, 7x squared minus 10x minus 8 all over x minus 2 is equivalent to 7x plus 4 plus 0 all over x minus 2. Let us proceed to another example. Divide 10x cubed minus x squared plus 5x plus 4 by 2x plus 1. Let us show the solution. Ten x cubed divide by 2x. The result, 5x squared. 5x squared multiplied by 2x plus 1. The result is 10x cubed plus 5x squared. 10x cubed plus 5x squared. Subtract from 10x cubed minus x squared. The result is negative 6x squared. Just bring down the positive 5x. Negative 6x squared divide by the 2x. The result, negative 3x. The negative 3x multiplied by the 2x plus 1, it obtains the negative 6x squared minus 3x. Negative 6x squared minus 3x. Subtract from the negative 6x squared plus 5x, it obtains a result of positive 8x, and just bring down the 4. 8x divide by 2x, the result is positive 4. Positive 4 multiplied by 2x plus 1, it obtains a product of 8x plus 4. 8x plus 4, subtract from 8x plus 4, the result is 0. Hence, 10x cubed minus x squared plus 5x plus 4 all over 2x plus 1 is equivalent to 5x squared minus 3x plus 4 plus the 0 all over 2x plus 1. So this following question as your homework.